a test tube, a half scoop of citric acid, and another half scoop of baking soda, a stirring stick, 10 ml of water, 20 ml of oil, red food coloring, and a funnel. First step, pour the water into the test tube. Next, add 2 drops of red food coloring. Then, shake it or use a wooden stick to stir it. Put the funnel in and a half spoon of baking soda into the test tube. Add the 20 ml of vegetable oil into the test tube. Add half spoon of citric acid into the test tube. In this tube, bubbles of carbon dioxide are released. Here, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer because oil is thicker and stickier than water. This property of oil is called viscosity. Hi everyone! See you in the next video.